Hi everyone, today I will talk about the do and don't for the hand blender. First, we make sure the rubber are put at the right position. Don't flip it or invert it. Next, we make sure the pocket or the socket put it at the right place. Same thing, we don't invert it or put it at the wrong place. Next, we will go to the machine, the motor. Next, we will go to the motor. We need to put the motor at the back side, the back cover of the. We need to put the motor at the back cover of the blender. Don't put it at the front cover of the blender. Make sure they are in the right position. Don't put it at the wrong position. Next, we will screw it up by using the screwdriver. We must use the suitable screwdriver for the screw. Don't use the not suitable screwdriver. Now, we'll go to the front cover of the hand blender. First, we need to make sure the spring at the middle level of the button. Don't put it at the wrong place. Next, we need to put the button inside the front cover. Don't put it at the back cover. Next, we need to align the button in the correct position. Don't invert or reverse the button. Next, we will assemble the front cover and the back cover together. Make sure the front cover assembly right and correct. Don't assemble the back. Don't flip it over or upside down. Lastly, put the ring at the front and don't put it at the back. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoy the video.